Set up vet information for your clients in Pet Sitter Plus and find out how clients can add their vet details in the client portal. This video shows the steps taken on desktop. However, the process is exactly the same on a mobile. To start, simply access the menu using the hamburger icon in the top right corner. To begin, log into your Pet Sitter Plus dashboard. First, let's look at how to set up vets for your clients to choose from. This process is done in the supporting data section. To start, navigate to the admin tab, and then supporting data, and select vets. Here you can add, edit, and delete vet information. Click Add New to create a new vet entry. Fill in the necessary details for the vet, such as the vet's name, phone number, and address. Once you've entered all of the information that you want to, click Update to add the vet to your list. Top tip: you can easily find local vets by searching online directories. This can help you quickly locate veterinary practices in your area. You can edit or delete vet entries by clicking on the respective vet's name in the list. On the Edit screen, make any necessary changes to the vet information and click Update. To delete a vet, click on Maintenance to view how many clients reference that vet. From this section, you can either delete all references to that vet or transfer all clients who specify that vet to another vet listed before proceeding with the deletion. Top tip: it's best to keep this list updated so your clients have the latest information to choose from. Now that we've set up the vets, let's take a quick look at how clients can add a vet to their accounts in their client portal. Clients can log into their portal by using their unique email address or account ID. Once logged in, they need to navigate to My Information. Select the pet record, and then Vet. Here, they can select their preferred vet from the drop-down list that you've set up. If their vet is not listed, they will need to contact you to ask you to add it to the list before they can select it. Once the vet information is selected, clients need to click Set Vet to update their account. This ensures that all vet details are up to date and available for your reference should you need them in an emergency. You're all set. Setting up and managing vet information in Pet Sitter Plus is easy and helps ensure that all necessary details are readily available for your team and your clients. To continue enhancing your experience, be sure to explore our Learning Zone for additional videos on next steps and other topics that might be useful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, check out our help articles linked in the description below, or contact your coach or our support team. Curious about Pet Sitter Plus? If you're not already a client, you can try it free for 30 days. Sign up on our website today and see how we can simplify your business management and streamline your administration tasks. You can find a link to our free trial in the description box below. Thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial and you're watching this on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give the video a thumbs up.